Today in math, we're going to continue with our think math, where I tell you the whole and you think of the story. Now, yesterday we did 6, so today I thought we would do 7. And today I'm going to do 7 dogs. It's going to be my whole thing that I'm going to think about. So I'm going to think first of all the choices that I could have for 7. Well, let's think. I know that I could do 7 plus 0. I can make that number go down and say 6 plus 1. I could say 5 plus 2. I could say 4 plus 3. And then, of course, I could make some switcheroos, but we won't take the time to write all those down. I just want you to think of them in your head, some of your choices that you could have for 7. I think today for 7, I'm going to do 4 plus 3. So that's going to be my 2 parts that I'm going to use to make 7. So let's think about what could these dogs be doing. I think I'll draw some grass. And down here in the grass, I'm going to draw a bone hidden in the grass. Okay, I think I'm going to have 4 dogs hunting for a bone. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dogs hunting for a bone. Now, we know 4 is one part, so the other part is 3. So I guess my other 3 dogs, they're not going to be hunting for a bone, are they? I think I'll have these 3 dogs. They can be playing tug of war. Let me draw a rope. And there are 3 dogs playing tug of war. So let's put our dogs down here. 1, we'll have to have 2 on this side. And 1 over here. Now, how many dogs does that make in my yard all together? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 4 and 3 goes together to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there were 7 dogs in my yard. So I have a story about 7 dogs in my yard. So now it's time for me to write my sentences for this story. I'm going to say 4 dogs were looking for a bone. That's my first sentence. Now my next sentence. 3 dogs were playing tug. Now, how many dogs is that all together? It was 7, wasn't it? So my last sentence has got to tell the whole thing. So I'm going to say 7 dogs were playing in my yard. Today you're going to make a think math story. Remember, you get to think of the story. All it's going to tell you on Seesaw is just the answer. You can think up what could be one of the number sentences, one of the choices I could use, and then you're going to write your story. Remember, your story needs 1, 2, 3 sentences, one part, another part, and the whole thing. Sometimes your story could be that they're coming together. Like I could say there were 4 dogs hunting for a bone and 3 more came to also hunt, and they could all hunt together. Today I chose my story just to be about them playing in the yard, and so I told you where one part of the dogs were and where the other part was. You can choose how you want your story to go. Remember, your story needs 3 sentences, and then I'm going to write my number sentence that goes with this. So my number sentence for this story would be 4 plus 3 equals 7. So there I write my number sentence that goes along with my story. After you do your Think Math story, then remember you're going to do your math facts that I showed you about yesterday, how the answer goes under the line. And these are just math facts that we already know. We're just trying to see if we can get faster at them. So remember, get mom or dad to set a timer for 1 minute and see how many that you can get done in 1 minute. I can't wait to see.